Now let's start looking at JIRA, the defect tracking tool. So basically JIRA is an incident management tool. It is a defect tracking or a project management tool by Atlassian Inc. and the current version is 6. It is a platform independent tool. It means that it can work on any platform. So now what are the fundamentals of JIRA? There are 3 basic concepts in JIRA: issue, project and work. Issue is every task, bug or enhancement request. Basically anything to be created and tracked via JIRA is considered an issue. So depending on who is the target audience or who is the user of JIRA, the definition of issue can change. So if it's a software development and testing project, then issue will be a bug found in the application or an enhancement request sent by the client. Or if it is a customer care center like Vodafone or phone banking, then every task which the help desk executive receives will be an issue. So all these issues will be created and tracked via JIRA. Issues not only have to be created, but they have to be tracked till the closure. Then project. So what is a project? Projects are incidents or issues can be grouped project wise. Projects are created in JIRA to handle a collection of issues. So basically projects is a group of issues and they are logically named as a project. So if I am working on a software development project of ABC Bank, then my project name in JIRA would be ABC Bank. Then a workflow. A workflow is a series of steps which an issue goes through starting from creation to completion. So workflow is basically the life cycle of the issue. So the issue may go through stages like open, fixed, pending, cancelled. So all this becomes a workflow for the issue. Now the following diagram depicts the logical structure of JIRA. So this diagram is to show the structure of JIRA. So under JIRA we saw that there are 3 main concepts: project, issue and workflow. And under project we have component and versions. We will see in detail what the component and version is. Now let's move on to who uses JIRA. So users of JIRA include software developers, help desk executives and QA teams. So basically depending on what the business is and who the users are. So the JIRA can be used by IT company. In that case software developers or testing teams are the users. Or if JIRA is used as an incident management tool in a customer care office, then the help desk executives will be the users of JIRA. So anybody who wants to track an incident or an issue or a bug will become the users of JIRA. It is widely used by QA teams for bug tracking and tracking project level issues like documentation completion and tracking environmental issues. So basically JIRA is used mainly for testing teams who are working on a software development project like a testing project, and then JIRA is used for tracking the defects. Also it can be used for tracking issues like documentation completion and environmental issues like whether the server is down, database is running or not, network problems. So let's see in detail what is a project in JIRA. A JIRA project is a collection of issues and is defined according to your organization's requirements. For example, a JIRA project could be a software development project, a marketing campaign, a help desk system, a leave request management system, a website enhancement request system. So depending on what the business context is, projects in JIRA could differ. So if it's an IT company who is using JIRA for software development project tracking, then the name of that project itself becomes the JIRA project. For example, a software development project of a banking application will have the name as ABC Bank. So this ABC Bank becomes the project name in JIRA itself. Or a marketing company. So a marketing campaign like a consumer industry like Godrej Soaps is having a campaign for its cosmetics. So that name will be the JIRA project. A help desk system like for example Vodafone system a leave request management system, or a website enhancement request system. So if there is a company who is doing enhancements to a website, then the name of the system becomes the JIRA project name. So each project will have the following things: a name. So say example, ELIP is the name of the project. A key. So if ELIP is the name, the key will be some identification which is related to the project name. The key will be AL. So the issue keys are then formed as an extension of the project key. Example, AL001, 02, 10 and so on. So basically this key will be a series of the extension of the project key, the components and the versions. So now let's see what is a component. A logical grouping of issues within a project is called as a component. So basically component is a part of a project. So for example, under a software development project, there are different issues for database. So database becomes a component. So for example, while tracking issues in software development project, following components are created: backend, UI, interfacing.